Ever had that sinking feeling when a client shows up for their appointment, only to find another client already in the chair? It's a scheduling nightmare, and it can seriously damage your reputation. But does Vagaro, the popular salon and spa scheduling software, have a safety net against this dreaded double booking? Let's dive in. Context and problem statement. Double bookings are a salon owner's worst enemy. They lead to angry clients. Disappointed clients can leave negative reviews, spread bad word of mouth, and even demand refunds. Lost revenue. When two clients are scheduled for the same time, you lose out on the income from one of those appointments. Staff stress. Double bookings create chaos, leading to confusion, stress, and potential arguments between staff and clients. Reputational damage. Double bookings erode trust and make your business look unprofessional. So, the big question is, can Vagaro help you avoid this scheduling disaster? Vagaro's features. A deep dive. Vagaro is packed with features designed to streamline scheduling and minimize errors. Let's see how some of these features relate to preventing double bookings. Online booking. Clients can book appointments directly on your website or through the Vagaro app. This not only saves you time but also allows clients to see your real-time availability, reducing the chance of booking conflicts. Calendar synchronization. Vagaro integrates with your personal or business calendar, ensuring that all your appointments are in one place and preventing conflicts with other commitments. Staff scheduling. You can easily schedule your employees within the Vagaro system, ensuring that each staff member is only booked for one appointment at a time. Appointment reminders. Automated email and text reminders help clients stay on top of their appointments, reducing the likelihood of no-shows and potential scheduling confusion. Waiting lists. If an appointment slot becomes available, you can easily notify clients on the waiting list, filling those spots quickly and efficiently. Does Vagaro completely prevent double bookings? While Vagaro offers robust features to minimize scheduling conflicts, it's important to remember that no system is completely foolproof. Human error. Even with the best software, human error can still occur. For example, a staff member might accidentally double book a client over the phone or in person. Technical glitches. While rare, temporary internet outages or software bugs could potentially allow for double bookings to slip through. Best practices to minimize double bookings with Vagaro. Regularly review your schedule. Make it a habit to review your schedule daily, especially during peak hours. Train your staff. Thoroughly train your staff on how to use the Vagaro system and the importance of accurate scheduling. Utilize waiting lists. Encourage clients to join waiting lists to minimize the risk of missed appointments. Respond promptly to inquiries. Address any scheduling questions or concerns from clients quickly and efficiently. Regularly update your availability. Keep your availability updated in real time within the Vagaro system to prevent clients from booking unavailable slots. Beyond Vagaro, additional tips. Clear communication. Maintain open and clear communication with your clients regarding appointment times and any potential scheduling changes. Confirmation calls/emails. Consider implementing a system of confirmation calls or emails before each appointment to reiterate the time and date. Overbooking strategically. In some cases, strategic overbooking can be beneficial if you have a history of no-shows. However, this should be done carefully and only by experienced businesses. Vagaro is a powerful tool that significantly reduces the risk of double bookings. By utilizing its features effectively and implementing the best practices we've discussed, you can minimize scheduling errors and create a more efficient and professional experience for both you and your clients. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.